Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see on Instagram how to delete account. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. So once you are there, just go to your profile by tapping your profile icon on the lower right corner. Then go to the top three on the top right, three horizontal lines, tap on it. Then go to account center. And in here, go to personal details. Now in here you will find account ownership and control that says manage your data, modify your legacy contact, and deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles. So tap on it. So go to deactivation and deletion. Select your account. Now check mark on delete account. So it says when you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and follows will be permanently removed. If you'd just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So tap on continue. And here give them the reason you want to delete your account. So just check mark on it, go to continue. And continue, and then continue again. And now all you have to do is tap your password, Instagram password, and tap on continue, and then your account will be deleted. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.